What's up everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on my post notifications, and leave a comment showing what you liked about this video. But today we are doing a Disney inspired Scar from the Lion King makeup look. I used the Crayon Case Box of Crayons Palette along with the Morphe 39A. All products are listed in the video, but let's get into this makeup look and show you how to slay your Disney Scar makeup look. Now cue the intro.
I've been quiet for too long.
Here's the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on my post notifications, share this video, and also leave some comments so I know that you watched the video and you enjoyed it or you didn't enjoy it. I mean, constructive criticism is good too. Everybody, have a great day and I'll see you next time on my channel. Bye!